Warner again, Carso versus Patapino. Yay, Carso Bull. That's number 7, goes to shot. Wow, my God. Matutino's Bull. Yay, nasa ilang superpower. Ilang big man. Wow, my God. Agawan ang buko sa ilalim. That's number... Wow, na-recover sa Matutino. Matutino to number 2 to number 27. Yes, no zero. Carso Bull, yes. Okay, that's number 0. Number 2. Matutino's Bull. Oh, 7. Number 7. That's okay na po sa number 9. Yeah. Adding.
15 to shoot.
Last number 17. Number 17. Number 2. Oh my God, but pushing. Last number 17. Number 17. Matutino's Bull to number 70. Oh my God. Agawan na po sa ilalim. Recover for number 2. Number 2 to number 17. Sumaksak. Yes. Carso to shoot. Oh my God. But recover for number 7. Number 7 sa ilalim. Oh, sayang na. That's number 17. The big man of Patapino goes to shot. Matutino's Bull. Size 4. That's number 2. Number 2 sumaksak sa ilalim to number 27. Oh, pagkakusgan, nilapas. Carso team. Ball position to number 11.
18 to shoot.
Yes. Mesa number 2. That's number 6.
8 to shoot.
Matutino's Bull. That's number 7.
14 shot clock.
14 shots. Substitution. Out. In. Out. Last number 7 goes to 3. Oh my God. Buko sa ilalim. Last number 11. Number 11 goes in the round to shoot. Oh, pagka-third. 0-0 sumaksak na number 17. Number 17 is good to shoot. Oh my God. Pagkatugihan ng number 13. Play in ang round to shoot. Oh my God. Napon pa rin kami for number 17. Number 17 number 9. Oh my God. Pagkatugihan for number 2. Number 2. Oh good. Pero galami na. As number 09. Number 09. Carso Bull. Foul. Team foul. Matutino. First quarter. Action. First throw. Ay! Last throw. Yes. 2. Matutino's Bull. Last number 02. Number 02. Big pass. Turn around move. Nakakahal ba? 3 team fouls. Ng Carso. Goes on the tree. Oh my God. Last number 00. Waiting for number 07 to number 00, sumaksak! Yes! Bull! 15 seconds to shoot. 10 9 8 Oh! No! Substitution for penalty. Carso. Last through. Oh my God. Oy. Pass break goes number 7 to number 09. 15 to shoot. Yes. Ang ratay na sa itong mga nalaman. Diyan na tayo vlogger. Tayo vlogger. Makita na Steve yan eh.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 9. Last number 17. Number 17 defensive number 18. Pass island to shoot. Oh my God. But wow. Last number 18. Number 18 Ben. Sumaksak pa sa ilalim. Oh. It's number 2 goes to the train. Anime shot ng Yapon. Last number 18. Goes to number 5 goes to 19. Agawan ng buko sa ilalim. recover for number 2. Number 2. Number goes the shot pa sa lalim. Buwak na ito. As number 09.
3 minutes, 20 seconds.
Wow! Yung kanilang coach, no? Lahat ay yung ano na, kita vlog doon. Vlog kita. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Matutinaw Karsong Bull. Last score, Lucy Unse. Nasa number 9, pasa ilalim. Yes. Number 17, gusto siya. Wow, nasa nice pass. Wow, pagkasayang. Paluwak moves. Number 05, nabitiwang ball. But
15 to shoot.
last number
10 to
6.
shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6.
Wow! Nice! Last number 07 to number 19 to 05. What I go? Agawan ng buko.
14 seconds, shot clock.
What my go? Wow! Nasa Matutinos Bull. Pagkasayang is a quick ground. Yeah! Number 18.
15 to shoot.
Number 7 side step move. Yeah! Matutinos Bull sa na tree. What my go? Agawan ng buko sa ilalim. Recover from number 2. 25. What my go? Pagkasayang.
Last 1 minute.
Last number 7 to number 7. Yes! Last number
14 seconds.
Oh, pagkasayang. Last number 12, number 10 to number 05. Oh! Yeah!
30 seconds.
Number 17, so maksak. Yeah!
3 seconds. Score.
4, 3, 2, 1. Usa sa mga nagyo na tito, mga ni ang Matutino. Submit ko sila number 11 in the shot. Agawan ng bukos. Guspin ko number 07. Yes! Matutino's Bull. Nakakasagin. Sumaksak. Pasig ka na lang. Wow! 15 seconds to shoot. Pin in the ground. That's number 9. 10 seconds. Rebound. Oh! Is
Stop.
number 27 goes to 3. 31 segundos ang nabilin na oras. At number 11 goes to the shot master. 10, 9, 8. Wow, my go. Wow, a big rebound for number 11. But sayang. That's really tough. So black in the ground. Number 2. Wow! Goal number 17. So yeah!
3 minutes, 42 seconds.
City. Last number 09. So oh! It's a foul for number 11 of Matutino. Kaya oras sa atong second quarter. Oh!
15 to shoot.
It's a low shot. Oh! It's 15 seconds to shoot. Number 17, low may pat, but what may go? Agawan ng buko. At number 17 again is Big Run. Oh!
Bonus throw.
Yes! Yes! Ang oras! 6 minutos of 56 size. Labaw ang Matutino.
15 to shoot.
Number 7, yes! Usa sa ilang mga scorer machine. At number 08,
15 to shoot.
Matutino's Bull. Ito naman ito na 7 goes to the 3. Oh my go! Agawan ng number 17. Number 17, nakapanali pa sa ilalim. Yeah!
15 to shoot.
Last number 7 to number 7. So Waksak goes in a 3. Agawan na buko. Wow, my go. But rebound for number. Oh. Last number 17.
15 to shoot.
Wow. Lumipad sa
15 to shoot.
Wow, my go. Kasayang. Last number 27. Naman na kami number 7. Pick in the ground. To number 18. Was a nice defense for number. That's number 11. Yes. Number 08. Passing the tip. Wow. Pagkalungun. That's number. Goes in a twin. What a good. That's number 05. Yes. Ang score. 30 idus 36. Number 8. Tumaksak to the round pass. Wow. Recover for number 13. Ito ito lang bola niya po. Oh, let's go. That's number 07 to number 09. Back. Wow. Nice recovering for number 08. Same ball.
10 to shoot.
Nakita kapasahan. Last number. Turn around yet. Wow, my go. Team. 3 minutos o 33 segundos. Wow. Nakitog. Good for number 07. And number 08. Running jump. Wow, my go. Sumaksak. Nakita kapasahan.
15 to shoot.
Kasi number 9.
10. 9.
Wow.
Yes.
0-0. Number 19. Good shot.
Wow.
My go.
45 seconds.
Sumaksak. Wow. 30. 34.
15 to shoot.
That's number 7. Kita kapasahan.
10 to shoot. 9. 8.
18 to the move. Yeah. That's number 8. Jill takes the ball. Goes in the net. Sumaksak. Running jump. Wow.
35 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Wow! Wow! Nice recovery sa number 11 o Patatino. Number 13. Wow! Noibi.
15 to shoot.
That's number 30. Number 30. Kiri. Wow! That's number 09 goes to the 3. Ani Nisha.
15 to
Number
shoot.
18 na na 3. Yeah!
43 seconds.
Oh, back to 11.
15 to shoot.
Dahil sa game ko number 7, Umanser. Wow, my go! Rebound mo na.
Ayaw dia.
25 second in the second quarter. 20, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 11 second, 11 second. 6 second in of second quarter. 5, 4, Pino's goal. That's number 02. Goes to perimeter. What my goal? That's number 013. Number 18. Sumaksak good to the jump. What my goal? Agawan na buko. Goes to number 19 and 19 to 11. Wow! Nagmamadali pa sa ilalim. What my goal? Agawan ng buko. That's number 18. Matatinas ball goal number 0-0. Simple move but
15 to shoot.
wow, nice pass. Number 19 shoot. Wow, my God. Pagkasay. That's number 18. Number 18 to number 11.
shoot.
Darsu. Oh, nice. That's number 00. Wow, nice. Defense for number 07. That's number 18 to number 07. What a good action. That's number 18. Number 18 is a twin. Wow, my go. Agawan ng buko. Big man. But recover for number 07. Pass to number 11. Oh! Number 02. Last ilagan for number 18. Wow! Number 7. Tarso move. Goes to number 18. Nag-iilang sa turnaround moves.
Nakabayulit.
Goes to number 00. Pagkasayang. Number 00. 1, 2. Oh! Agawan ng buko. Number 2 again. Wow! Nagay ito siya. Last number 11, oh, pagkasayangan. Recover po matutinaw, nagmamadali, goes in a shit. Number 18 to number 17, number 17, sumaksak. Traveling,
Dali, dali, be.
last number 17, goes in the paper number 18.
Yan, ano na parking na rin ilaw sa 30 pound baso.
Okay, last number 0, nagmamadali po si Nakabat. 3 din yung gagawan, din 0-0. Ilang big men. First throw. Last throw. No basket. Rebound. Wow! Pagkakong rebound number 18. Number 18, so upset to number. Oh, it's a block for number 3. Number 0. Oh. Nasa number 0. Pasa ilalim, but nice. Defense. For number 18. Wow! Last number 17 goes in at 2-0, number 0-0. So Maxac number 9 pa sa ilalim. Wow, my God, but recover na sa field. Rebound for number 0 of Mantat. Wow! Ang bilis mo bantaga. Dinay. Rebound for 17, number 0-0. Wow! 0-0, so Mantat, but beating for number 17. Oh! Tawag ko sa ilalim. Wala naman may kubat. Recover po number 25. Yeah. Number. Sumaksak. But recover the ball. 50 City. 40.
16 to shoot.
Last number 18. Sumaksak. But block. 10. 9. 8. Wow. But recover po ang gato ka ng sutin. Pagkadugon. Agawan na po ko sa ilalim. Ow. But recover for number 16 to number 18 to 3. Oh my God, but recover niya po. Oh!
Matutina.
Oh.
Bonus through. Oh my God, inahanap niya pong bola. Nice defense. Number 0-0. Oh my God, agawan na po sa ilalim po number 18 to number 9. Wala niya po nagawa na po. Oh! Recover po number 19. Wala niya po nagawa na po. Oh!
20 to shoot.
50 City.
13 pound.
Harsuti.
Tara, ah. Ay, tara.
Yes,
4
complete.
minutes and 50 seconds.
Last number 0-0. Last number 8. Matuloy Sports. Sumaksak. Isa pass for number 18. Recover po
10 to
yung
shoot. 9.
Oh! Number 8 losing a 3. Wow, my God. But recover po number 11. Number 11 to number 18. It's a foul.
Kung sa'yo ito ikasulti ni mo daw sa atong manindog na duwa.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you sa iyong mga opinion. No? Okay, first shot counted. Oh, muna yung napilihan na mo na yan. Master Guapo of the night.
2 minutes 25 seconds.
Carson Blue. Nangita ka pa sa
15 to shoot.
ang ilalim. Ilang istombo. Bang! Wala ito pagkasayang agawa ng buko. Nasa nga po 0-0. Wala nga po agawa ng buko. Nice rebound for number 18. Number 18 nagpapadali sa umangsag. Paso na po sa tubo. Napata. Agawa ng buko na gapon. Nice number 0 sa Andres.
Last 2 minutes.
Oh! Hindi ka pa sa naman. Pusing in the pass. Yeah! 59. Last number 07.
15 to shoot.
Last number 18, sumaksak. Wow! Nakatingin. Nakahaba po na ba sa ito? Isa block! Nakahaba 0-0. Simple shoot. Pass. Tips na sa depensa.
45 seconds.
Number 18 to number 00. Ang istong mamad. Number 09. Oh, isa pa.
Restore penalty.
Versus Matutino. Number 00. Strong move. PM. Grabe. Wow!
35 seconds.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. End of third quarter. Yes,
15 to shoot.
17, 16, 15,
Yes!
Idus.
3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Last number 34. Number 10.
Number 3 goes to siya.
Kinagibuhan ka ron sa matutinaw no. Wapa mo siya. Wapa mo grabe. Kuhan Corso. Last number 0.
So, we are at 0.
2 minutos 50.
15 to shoot.
Wala rin pa. Agawa ng buko sa ilalim. Recover for number 09. Number 09. Sumaksa. Oh, is a foul. Number 2. 84, 79. Ka points. Oh.
15 to shoot.
That's number 18, Sumaksa! Wow, my goal! Oh, nag-foul! Kasutin!
15 to shoot.
That's number 19, number 19 to number 9. Number 9, Sumaksa! It's a blind! Nice defeat for number 03. Wow! It's a number 07. Nagmamadali. That's number 00, Sumaksa! Wow! Kansotin! Oh my God! There's number 17. Number 17 to number 00.
1 minute to shoot. Matutino ball. Pasayalan. So, number the ball to number 0. Wow, my goal! 1 minute and 15 to shoot.
Last number 11 to 00.
What a great
Last number 09.
Team Sita shoot.
What's up? Wow, my God! Agawa ng buko sa ilalim. Wow! Wow! What is it for? Oh! Recovery for number 09. After foul.
7 seconds.
37 segundos.
1 man for foul out number 2. 1 man for penalty.
Asan trapo? Mo gina yung mga dungga na tanong, asan trapo? Trapo. Utsinetris. Wow! Number 11! Oh my God! Wow! Regalo!
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
20 seconds.
80 seconds. 19. 18. 18. Counting!
Foul number 00.
85.
Bonus to foul.
Lito Recados, 91.
15.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Oh, idaog yun ang matutinaw, no? Oh, salamat kayo, good team, no? Sa atong wall. Oh, para sa team versus Matutinaw. Thank you, thank you.